Hello my friends, welcome back to another video where I'm still working on my 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe, and this time it's not a big issue, but I'm going to attempt or try to fix this the corner of the bumper cover here on both sides. So it looks like the prior owner had a little bit of a fender bender, maybe hit something, and as a result, this it snapped out. But I looked, there's nothing broken, but when I push it in, it will not snap back in. So I will have to remove some bolts and along here, maybe, and so I think also we'll need to remove some of the upper bolts here and fasteners in order to bring it down. And this is the other side, and you can see, so the same thing. And it looks also had a little bit of stuff here, so I think it's the impact on the other side that that pushed this out as well. So pushing doesn't work, so I will do that. So again, we got a bolt back here. That's every car, the bumper always has a bolt right here at the corner, and then the rest is fasteners, and then at the bottom. So let's do it. All right, so we are at the bottom, and the bumper is held by three screws, like this one here. That's one, and the two, and then three. Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, here you are. And three. So that's it. Besides the top one. All right, so this is the screw that was on the side, the corner here, and I just removed it. And all you have to do is just pull this out. So I haven't removed the other screws yet, but initially I told you I couldn't find anything wrong. Well, by opening this, and yes, I do find one. There's a broken clip. Now you see, this is to hold the this bumper here. You see it attached here, and there's another one. Okay, it's attached here, and so the top one here, it is missing. Okay, so there we go. That's where it was. So it's popped, broken. So they sell these. I think it's probably under $10 or no more than $15. But I don't think I really need one. I will try to put this back in properly and to minimize the wide gap that he had before. Now let's go check the other one. This is the driver's side, and they have a similar screw at the end. I don't know if this is the original, but it looks like it's the original. And so, see, this is the gap. This is how it is. Now let's see what's going on. So again, you just pop this. Okay. Yeah, it's all right. So it's really firm here, and that. With one hand I can't really do it because this side is fine, is here. So let me go ahead and put the camera down and see if I can with both hands and pop the middle one out. All right, so I checked, and here's the top clip. It is there. Compared to the other side, it is missing. All they did, what happened here is, see, it's out of the the hole. So I will push this, and because I removed the bolt here, so I will have more leverage, and I will push it and see if it can clip. All right, so you see, I'm able to fix it a little bit, and Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it is. This thing won't focus. Let me see if it can focus. Okay, so I'm able to fix it. It's a lot better. So now all I have to do is put the screw back. Where is it at? Okay, this is the screw. All I have to do is screw it back in, and that will be it. And then I'll go back on the other side. All right, that's the driver side. That's the driver side. It is fine. Here's what we are going to do. I do not want to buy that clip here. The bumper, I don't know what's the name of it, the retainer, whatever, and I think it's probably $15 to $20. What I'm going to do, I will use this glue. It's a Gorilla Glue. I will put it right here on top, inside here on top of the part that I should buy, and push that down on it, and then hopefully it will keep it down. It will keep it tight. Now, the other two clips, one here, they are fine. So maybe if I was missing, or we're missing 2 out of 3, then yes, it makes sense. But right now, it doesn't make sense for me to buy another one. So let me go ahead and put the camera down and apply this. Okay, I just finished applying the glue. You can see the wet part, and okay, then I will go ahead and close it in a minute, because it needs a few minutes to start drying because it's still wet. However, the only problem with applying the glue is more trouble for the next guy who will try to repair this bumper. But hopefully he or she would not need to repair it, unless if it's involved in an accident where the bumper is completely destroyed. Then okay, then it was not a problem. But if he wants to remove the bumper to access the radiator and other things, yeah, it will be a little bit trouble. But let me go ahead and snap it now. So now I'm replacing this the second screw that holds the bumper. All right, this is the driver's side. You can see there's still that little gap here. It's not much. It just looks a lot because of the camera, but it is a lot better now. Let me okay. So yeah, it is not quite visible at all, as opposed to what it looked like before. Now let's go to the other side. Again, look at that. The other side is 100% perfect. Okay, this little hole space here is factory. Okay, so since there was it was on snap here, and then that thing didn't break, so I was able to put it back, and no glue used. Okay, so looks fine. All right, one last look on the driver's side, passenger side. Look at that. One last look. It is perfect. The buyer would not even notice it, except this here. Again, now you know how to repair the gap on your fender liner. So thanks for watching, and see you next time, my friend. Hey folks, look what happens here. I wanted to remove the bumper, but first you have to remove this liner here, so I could easily access these screws here, just in case I needed to remove the bumper. But I figured when I realized that I don't need to, so I just left it. So I'm about to put this back, and look what I found. You know how mechanics always losing stuff? Yeah, look at that's the you got that as the engine. That's the cap. So let's see what's up there. All right, look at that. So we have this is an aftermarket, and this is the original. So it's possible during oil change, they lost it, and then they replace it by this one here. Maybe the owner, the previous owner, lost it, or it was at the oil change place and they lost it when yeah, they misplaced it because it fell down. The only way to find this thing, you have to loosen up the that little cover down there. But again, a find.